10 DIY car upgrades that anyone can do. Most cars come out of the factory looking and performing pretty good. Better motors might even come out of the factories near perfect. But that doesn't mean that we can't do our best to make a good thing even better, right? In today's video, we will look at the top 10 DIY car upgrades that anyone can do from home. Exhaust system. Nothing beats the purr of a fine-tuned engine. The rumble of power and speed is the voice of a car, so it's no wonder that fitting a new exhaust system is one of the most common DIY car upgrades. An uprated exhaust not only sounds great, but it can improve performance and fuel economy too. Simple bolt-on options are relatively easy to install from home and will give you that much-wanted deeper exhaust note. Most bolt-on kits will come with a simple set of instructions, so glove up and follow those closely to avoid botching the job. A full system upgrade is possible from home. However, swapping out the exhaust from the engine bay to the outlet is far more complex and expensive, so probably best to leave that one to the professionals. Plasti-dipping rims. If your wheels are starting to look tired but you don't have the funds to secure yourself a new set of alloys, Plasti-dipping can be a fantastic DIY solution. Because of the rubber nature of the product, anything that you Plasti-dip can be easily returned to its original state by simply peeling it off. Plasti-dip is entirely temporary and will not damage any underlying paint or chromework. To Plasti-dip your rims, first remove your wheels from the car before thoroughly cleaning them to remove any dirt, grease or wax. Next, cover or remove your center caps and mask off your tire using tape or by wedging playing cards in between the tire and the rim. Once your rims have been prepped, it's time to start spraying. Use light arching sprays. Coat your rims with a thin layer of Plasti-dip before leaving to dry for around 15 minutes. You will repeat this process another 2 times for a total of 3 coats. The thinner your coats, the better and smoother the results will be. After your final coat has dried, you can then apply a gloss or metallic overcoat to give your rims a truly professional finish. Air intake. While the exhaust carries air away from the engine, the air intake is what brings it in. The air that goes into your car needs to be clean, cool and constant to run at its best, which is why an upgraded unit can be such a valuable DIY upgrade. Cooler air and more of it usually means more horsepower and better engine performance, so you can expect a more powerful, responsive drive with this mod. Improved fuel efficiency is also a common benefit for drivers who can resist the urge to floor it at every opportunity. The upgrade is incredibly straightforward for the most part and is another bolt-off, bolt-on affair. You should always try to find an upgraded air intake specifically designed for your car's make and model to avoid any fitment difficulties. Brake pads. With more driving power, you'll need more stopping power too. Brakes play a big role in how your car performs on the road. Shorter stopping distances and more predictable handling is something I'm sure all drivers want. No DIY upgrade checklist is complete without having the right brake pads fitted. Low-quality standard brakes tend to wear down quickly, so fitting some top-shelf pads will save you a ton of money in the long run. Stock brakes can get hot quickly too, leading to faded brakes that impair the driving experience and reduce vehicle safety. Putting the right brake pads onto your vehicle will give you a load more confidence on the road, and you can rest easy now that you've got enough stop to match all that go. Upgrading your brakes is one of the most important modifications that you can make to your car, and it's a far simpler job than many people are led to believe. Parking cameras. The 21st century has taken technology to the next level, so why not use some of it on your car? Reversing into a parking spot can be tricky, especially when you can't actually see what's going on back there. Mirrors can only show us so much and usually have blind spots leading to an unwanted degree of uneasy guesswork. Nobody wants a nasty little dent or scratch on their rear bumper, not to mention an angry owner chasing you down the road. The solution? Parking cameras. The kits usually include one or multiple cameras, an interior screen and all the necessary wiring. The installation process varies in difficulty, so try to find one that matches your skill level. Some require all sorts of drilling, tapping and fettling, whereas others simply clip onto the rear of your car. Whichever option you go for, always try to go for a part made specifically for your vehicle to avoid installation frustrations. Smart rearview mirror. Now this impressive upgrade will change how you drive. The smart rearview mirror is like a mini laptop right above your head. With a variety of cool functions, the smart rearview mirror will upgrade your car immensely. With features including a GPS display or functioning as the parking camera screen, you'll free up your dash by removing that bulky mounted screen and add some serious smart to your car. Usually bigger than the standard glass mirror, this awesome upgrade will give you an HD wide-angle view of what's going on behind you through the use of various cameras and sensors. Newer options can even link up to your smartphone and provide you with live traffic reports and weather updates. Though they can be a little pricey at around $100, the smart rearview mirror is worth its weight in gold. Window tints. Driving in traffic can sometimes feel like sitting in a fishbowl. Clear glass windows mean that everybody around you can see in, and if you're not too keen on being stared at, then upgrading the glass around you by adding a tint is your best option. Besides preventing people from seeing what's going on inside your car, window tints carry a myriad of other upgrade benefits too. A tint is a dark film that's applied to the glass of your windows. Often polarized, you can still see out clearly, but looking in reflects the view. A window tint lessens how much sunlight flows into your car as well, giving you a cooler driving experience on hot days. Tints also reinforce the glass and hold it together if it shatters, so if you find yourself in an accident, you'll avoid a peppering from the flying shards of glass. Installation is cheap, easy, and the process is rather similar to vinyl wrapping. Tinting your windows can make your car look slicker, meaner, and more expensive, but make sure to read up on your local guidelines, as going too dark is a sure way of getting yourself pulled over and in trouble with the law. Sound system. For many, the sound system is the most important upgrade of any car. While outsiders won't be able to see this upgrade, they will most likely be able to hear it. A radio, set of speakers, subwoofer, and an amplifier is all it takes to turn your ride into a whole new beast. Your neighbours might not take too kindly to your thumping tunes, but who cares when you'll be living it up with quality, crisp sound as you enjoy your driving pleasure. There are a million products available to upgrade your sound system, and installation can be completed in just a few hours. Standard factory radios are often basic pieces of equipment, lacking modern features like hands-free calling, satellite radio, and Bluetooth, so swapping this head unit out is an absolute must when making the change. Aftermarket speakers significantly vary in cost, but you'll be sure to find some excellent ones to suit your budget. Finally, investing in a quality amplifier and subwoofer is a great way to round off the system and to bring you all the sound and bass that your heart and ears desire. Interior LED lighting. This low-cost addition to your wheels will literally highlight your ride, giving your car a touch of character both inside and out. As one of the cheapest custom DIY car upgrades out there, many people start with this option when looking to do some subtle tweaking. Bright enough for practical purposes, LED light strips come in a variety of vibrant colors, from red to blue to green. Smart multicolored strips are also popular and can change color through the use of a designated switch or through the use of a mobile app. Most LED lights connect directly to your 12-volt power system and are usually installed in or around the footwells. Nighttime is when this mod really starts to shine, as everybody around you will be able to see that unique colored glow coming from your now illuminated vehicle. Vinyl wrap. This ultimate DIY upgrade will complete your self-styled ride by giving it that final personal touch. Adding a vinyl wrap to your car beats giving it a ridiculously expensive paint job while still completely transforming its color and style. A vinyl wrap is an adhesive-backed plastic sheeting that covers the entire outside of your car. Vinyl wrapping gives you a variety of exciting color options, from metallic to reflective, matte to gloss. The number of choices is almost overwhelming. Changing the color of your car used to mean a visit to the body shop, days if not weeks of waiting around, and a hefty bill to top it all off. With vinyl wrapping, this is no longer the case. Wrapping your car can take less than an afternoon, and once you get hang of the technique, you'll be flying through your body panels in no time. One of the keys to a great wrap is preparation. Making sure that your car is squeaky clean is an absolute must, as is removing any obstructive car parts such as indicator lights and number plates. You'll need a very steady hand and focus to get the job done, but once completed, you'll be turning heads everywhere you go.